Hello, viewers. Welcome to another episode 27 of Ratio and Rates. We are getting gradually to the end of this episode. If you have not watched any of the episode before and you still is interested in watching, please visit the playlist on YouTube, Ratio and Proportion, and review all the episodes and see what we have treated so far. There are other interesting videos out there. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, and leave your comment. So we want to move on to average speed. Already in the beginning, we define rate as a comparison between two different quantities. So the rate, as we define it in terms of distance and time, is only referring to a speed. So we say average speed is just the rates that compares a total distance to the total time covered. That is all about the average speed. You'll be hearing the driver is speeding. It means the distance being covered related to time is very relative, very small. So within a short distance, within a short time, he covered a longer distance. That gives us the speed. So we are saying that average speed is the rate of total distance to the total time. So mathematically, we can write it as total distance covered over time taken, or total time taken. So if we are going to use the abbreviations, S will be equals to D over T. So since this deal with different units, it means the unit of speed will also be changing in regard to the distance and time. Distance can be in meters, kilometers, right? So we can have a speed measured in kilometers per hour. We can also have it measured in kilometers per minute. We can also have it measured in meters per what? Seconds. So these are some of the units into which the measurement of speed will be calculated. So the question may ask for this, or ask for this. Regardless of whatever is asked, you can be able to convert. Now let's take a triangular definition of distance. So we have speed, distance over time. Already we know the first formula as finding speed is equals to the distance divided by what? Time. That is if I am asked to find the speed. Or if I am not asked to find the speed is given, time is given. I am asked to find the distance. So I am taking distance as here. Distance is equals to this times this. This is not division. So your distance becomes the speed times what? Time. So in another question, the time taken could also be asked to find. So the third formula, taking time into consideration, will still be distance over speed. So you can see, for you to be able to remember the three formulas without following through the change of subject, speed equals to distance over time taken. This is the over, this is multiplication. Therefore, distance equals to speed times time. Then time also equals to distance over the speed. So this is one way by which we can easily remember the definition and the formula for speed, average speed. All right. Okay, a question to put to test the formula. So a bike travels 72 kilometers per hour. We have to find its speed in meters per second. So already, if you check that speed in there, is the distance, that's kilometers. The time is hour, so it's going to be kilometers per hour. But our calculation wants to be in meter per second, meaning we need to convert the kilometers to meters, then convert an hour into seconds. So in this case, we can say our distance, which is 72 kilometers, okay, let's take it like that. and convert that into meters. Don't forget, kilo means 1,000. So if it is 1,000 meters, then it means 72 times 1,000. So I'll be having 72 times 1,000 meters, 72,000 meters. Then for the time, we have it to be 1 hour. Don't forget, per hour, 1. And this hour must be in what? In seconds. So 1 hour into minute is 60 minutes. So 60 minutes into seconds will be 60 times 60. And that will give us 3,600 seconds. Let me use this for the calculation. So our speed, which is the average speed, equals to distance over time taken. And the distance is what? 72,000 meters, 3,600 seconds. So what would that give us if we were to put that on our calculator? On our calculator, we are going to have 20 meters per second. So you can see that when it comes to speed, we can be able to leave our answer in meter per second, kilometer per minute, or kilometer per hour. I believe the concept of speed is assimilated. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.